Good morning, students. So today's topic is blood pressure. Blood pressure is the pressure that is exerted by blood on the walls of the blood vessel. If I say it very simply, what is the meaning of blood pressure? First of all, just I want to show you whenever the go through the blood vessels, it create a pressure on its wall. Suppose this is a blood vessel and the blood is going through it, so it will create the pressure on it in all side. So this pressure is called blood pressure. Suppose this is a blood vessel and the blood is growing, the blood is going through it. In the course of flowing, it creates a pressure on its wall. Yeah, this is the wall in which it creates the pressure, and this pressure is called blood pressure. So as shown in the definition, as shown in the definition, blood pressure is the pressure exerted by circulating blood on the walls of the blood vessel. Means pressure exerted by blood on wall is called blood pressure. So how many kinds of blood pressures are there? There are two kinds of blood pressure. That is called systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. What is systolic blood pressure? When the heart pumps out the blood, at that time pressure on the blood vessel is very huge. When the heart pumps out the blood, the pressure on the blood vessel is very huge. This pressure is called systolic pressure, and this pressure is caused due to ventricular systole. So what is the definition? During ventricular systole, the blood is pumped out forcibly, very forcefully, and it exerts pressure on the wall of artery. As you know, when the heart pumps, the blood comes out of the heart and it goes to the different organ. So pressure exerted on the walls of the artery. Remember it. So it is called systolic pressure. And what is the normal systolic pressure for a human being? The normal systolic pressure for a normal human being is 1 to 20 millimeter of Hg. But slightly it varies. Means with the increasing of the age. Suppose a person of 50 years can have the pressure above 120, but it should not be more as 140 millimeter of Hg. So in that condition, if there is a person of 50 years and more and he has a blood pressure of 140 millimeter of Hg, so it will be say that yeah, it is a normal blood pressure for that particular age. So slightly the blood pressure varies. So it was we talk about the systolic blood pressure. Similarly, when the blood comes into the heart, at that time pressure is very less on the blood vessel. On the blood vessel, the pressure of the blood is very less. So this pressure is called diastolic pressure. And diastolic pressure for a normal human being is 80 millimeter of Hg. Yeah, it can also varies with the age. For old age person, it can more than 80. That is, it may be about 90 millimeter of Hg. But more than 90 can come under the hypertension, or you can say high blood pressure. So we come to know about two kinds of blood pressure. That is systolic blood pressure, which is about 120 to 140 millimeter of Hg, and diastolic pressure, which is about 80 millimeter to 90 millimeter of Hg. So if a person has more than 120 to 140 millimeter of Hg of systolic pressure and more than 90 millimeter of diastolic pressure, then what will it cause? It will call high blood pressure. Here it is mentioned in the form hypertension. When a normal blood pressure increases above 140 or 90, means systolic pressure 140, diastolic pressure 90, then it is called high blood pressure. Similarly, if the pressure decrease below 120 millimeter of Hg, then it is called low blood pressure. So, what is the name of the instrument which is used for measuring the blood pressure? It is sphygmomanometer, 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 sphygmomanometer. Repeat it twice and remember to learn the spelling of this instrument. It is very